This video shows a family of ellipse inscribed Poncelet Triangles, blue, circumscribing a circular caustic whose center is C. Okay. Now you can also see the elliptic loci of three of its triangle centers: the circumcenter X3 in red, the Euler or 9-point center in orange X5, and the Nagel Point X8 in green. Now let's look at some interesting geometric properties of these three loci. The locus of X3 for any chosen C has a focus on each axis of the outer ellipse. The locus of X5 has one of its foci coinciding with the center of the caustic. And the locus of X8, the Nagel point, is always an ellipse, the green ellipse, concentric with the outer one and homothetic to it. Now if I move C, these properties are maintained. So if I'm now moving C all the way to the left here, you can see here that X3 still has each of its foci railed to the two semi-axes or axes of the outer ellipse, whereas one of the foci of X5 is maintained over C, the center of the caustic, and X8 continues to be an ellipse which is concentric and homothetic with the outer one. So let me actually move C around a little more for these phenomena to become more visible. I'm moving C to the left. On the third quadrant, let's move C now to the second quadrant of the outer ellipse, like so. And you continue to observe the same phenomena. Okay? All right, so that's what we have for this video.